everybody, welcome back to my channel and now you are watching a 4-star property. In this video, we provide a detailed explanation of everything about this resort like amenities, room category, location, landmark, facilities and reviews also. As you can see on the screen, the property location and nearby attractions and landmarks are also provided here. Review rating is 9.1. Is the exceptional room category 1. You can see on the screen details like size, bed type, room highlight, facilities, amenities, and reviews section. Next, we discuss the amenities of this property. As you can see on the screen, in this hotel, one type of room is available on agoda.com. You can book online and enjoy it. The location of the property is attractive. It appears to fully enjoy the beautiful surroundings. This property is check-out time of this hotel is 12 p.m. Deals and offers available online for this property along with different meal plans and payment policies. If you are planning to book, you can use the link provided in the description below. If you have any problem with this property, you can withdraw the more details about this resort, please below the link in description. If you have checked out from this property, you can send your experiences via comment. If you are new to this channel or not subscribed yet, then must subscribe to our channel right now and press the bell icon so that you don't miss any video of our upcoming property. Thank you for watching the entire video.